The alarm blares, you drag yourself out of bed, and your body feels like it's made of lead. That morning grogginess happens because our modern waking habits force the body out of sleep before its biological clock is ready. Ayurveda, the 5,000-year-old medical system from India, identified this physical exhaustion early on. Their solution is a specific, step-by-step protocol called Dinacharya. At its core, Dinacharya is a daily rhythm. It is designed to strictly synchronize your internal human physiology with the natural cycles of the environment around you. The end goal of this routine is highly specific. By following the steps, you actively flush accumulated toxins, optimize your digestive fire, and stabilize your nervous system for the day ahead. The tools required to execute this are remarkably simple. You only need a metal tongue scraper, a few edible oils like sesame or coconut, and warm water. True morning energy does not come from pouring stimulants into an exhausted system. It comes from realigning your body's baseline circadian rhythm through a structured daily routine. This document outlines the primary rule: waking up during Brahma Muhurta. This precise window occurs 45 to 90 minutes before sunrise. The text states anyone desirous of a long, healthy life should wake during this period, a strict historical requirement for preservation. Waking during this pre-dawn window aligns with the lightest, clearest energetic phase of the natural cycle. If you sleep past 6 a.m., you enter a heavier, denser phase, which physically manifests as a sluggish state. Once you are up, the first physical action is Ushapana. This requires drinking 1 to 2 glasses of specifically warm water immediately upon standing. This influx of warm water acts mechanically. It flushes out the waste products that accumulated in your digestive tract overnight and ignites your Agni, or metabolic fire. This precise combination of early timing and targeted temperature forces the body to switch from passive overnight recovery directly into active metabolic processing. Step 2 moves the routine into the bathroom. While you sleep, toxic buildup accumulates on your sensory organs, and this 3-part cleansing phase is designed to clear it. Step 1 uses a U-shaped metal scraper. By gently pulling it from the back of the tongue to the front, you mechanically remove the white surface coating, known as ama, or toxins. Next is Gandusha. You take a tablespoon of sesame or coconut oil and vigorously swish it around your mouth for exactly 3 to 5 minutes before spitting it out. Beyond surface cleaning, the sustained physical tension required to move the viscous oil strengthens jaw muscles and pulls debris from deep within the gum line. Step 3 is Nasya. You apply 2 drops of warm ghee or herbal oil into each nostril to thoroughly lubricate the nasal passages and clear the sinuses. Systematically clearing the mouth, tongue, and nasal passages ensures completely unobstructed oxygen flow, securing mental clarity for the rest of the day. With the head and senses clear, the sequence shifts down to the full body. You have to physically ground your system before engaging with the outside world. This is achieved through Abhyanga. It is a vigorous 5 to 10 minute self-massage using warmed oils, applied starting from the scalp down to the soles of the feet. The physical action of rubbing warm oil into dry, tense muscles has a direct soothing mechanical effect on the nerve endings right below the skin. The massage is followed by the activation phase. Spend 15 to 30 minutes doing gentle, unforced exercise to eliminate stagnation and move blood. Immediately after moving, you sit still. 10 minutes of seated breathing constructs a mental barrier, effectively insulating your mind against incoming daily stress. The final reset is a shower. Wash with warm water while strictly keeping your head cool. Afterward, eat a warm, easily digestible breakfast before 8 a.m. This sequential combination of oil, friction, movement, and temperature physically seals your body and protects your nervous system for the next 24 hours. Looking at that complete 6-step list can feel overwhelming. Attempting to execute all of it flawlessly on your very first morning creates psychological friction that usually leads to burnout. Instead, use the strategy of the anchor habit. Select 2 minor adjustments as the foundation. For tomorrow, your starting anchors are exact. Shift your alarm back 15 minutes and scrape your tongue after waking up. That is the rule of incremental layering. Do not add the oil massage or the meditation until those first 2 anchor habits require 0 willpower to complete. Achieving long-term metabolic health relies entirely on the consistency of an imperfect routine rather than the failure of a perfect one.